Hello everyone, I'm Snehal and welcome back to my channel. So you have already gone through the thumbnail and you have already gone through the title of the video. So this video is not something because of the thing that is going on in our country right now. This topic I had from a very long time, but because there are a lot of things happened and because of that I was not making video on this. But then I thought today that it's really important that I should make a video on this. So it's actually if I talk about vulnerable, like being vulnerable, it's not just with men. Actually, there are women as well who think that, oh, I don't need to share things, or अब मैं इतनी बड़ी हो गई हूँ तो दैट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस टू शेयर एनीवन आई हैव टू deal with everything on my own. But no, it's not the case, okay? But the majority of those women are very, low. Most of the women, they don't care if they express their feelings, if they express their emotions, even if they cry, they don't care what people are gonna think about. And yeah, it's very easy for women to express emotions. So that's why I'm not going to talk about women over here. This video is specifically for men and for their parents as well. If you have like kid whom you are, because you are the first teacher of your children, so it's really important that you should know how to taught your child. um, People, a lot of time people forget, before comparing and before differentiating a men and women, it's really important that people should understand that before differentiating them, they are first of all a human being. So human beings are supposed to cry, to express their emotions, to share their feelings and everything, okay? And even if you go on Google, okay, and if you check what men means, it is bulky, heroic, strong, these kind of things, okay. And if you check about women, it's like busty, voluminous, curvaceous, gentle, these kind of things. But why? We need to change that. Men can be gentle as well, and women can be strong as well. Okay, so we need to change this thought, and we have to understand that being vulnerable, it's really important, not just for you but for the people around you in your life, because what you feel inside, you're gonna express that to other person. So it's really important that you should know that you have to be vulnerable. So in this video, I'm gonna share few of the points that why you need to be vulnerable in your life. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so point number one, to treat everyone, all the people around in your life well. Okay, why I'm saying this? Because when you are someone, because men have been conditioned in a way from their childhood, and they have been taught that you should not share your emotions, you should keep everything inside you, you should not cry, okay. And cry, like crying and all, this is all a girly thing, or women do that. But you have to understand that they are also human being, okay. And if you're not going to share your emotions, you are not going to share your feelings, okay, you are not going to let everything out from you, then everything is going to be inside you, okay, and it's gonna pile up a lot, okay. And after that, you're gonna throw these emotions on someone else, especially to your partner, to women. Because most of the time what happens that boys or men, they they are not able to express their emotions to their parents, okay. बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं, सिर्फ ये एक रीज़न नहीं है। या तो उन्हें डांट पड़ जाती है, या उन्हें बोला जाता है कि इतनी छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए ये सारी चीज़ें शेयर करना लड़कियों का काम है। या फिर बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि मैन ऐसा सोचते हैं कि मैं खुद डील कर लूँगा, मैं लोग क्या सोचेंगे कि मैं मैन होके भी इतना नहीं कर सकता हूँ, आई कांट क्राई और ये वो। बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट you are a human being, okay, and you are supposed to share your feelings. Because जब अगर मैं इस चीज़ के बारे में बात करूँ कि बहुत बार पेरेंट्स से आप शेयर नहीं कर पाते हो, बिकॉज पेरेंट्स जो होते हैं वो थोड़ी स्ट्रॉन्गर पोजीशन पे होते हैं, राइट? सो आप सोचते हो कि अगर मैं बताऊंगा या कुछ भी करूंगा तो वो ऑब्वियसली दे गोना स्कोल्ड यू, दे क्या छोटी छोटी बातों पर रोने लगते हो, या क्या ये बच्चों के जैसे रोना है, लड़कियों के जैसे रोना, दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड यू। और वो सारी चीज़ें पाइल्ड अप हो जाएगी, यू आर नॉट गोना थ्रो इट ऑन योर पेरेंट्स, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वो स्ट्रॉन्गर पार्ट में है, वो नहीं, आप उनको नहीं बोल पाओगे, ठीक है, कितना भी आप दब जाओगे। बट नाउ whom you gonna throw it? You're gonna throw on the weaker पावर, वीकर जेंडर। एंड इसलिए बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि बिकॉज एवरीथिंग यू कीप इनसाइड दीज इमोशंस, अनफॉर्चुनेटली विमेन को झेलना पड़ता है ये चीज। सो टू पेरेंट्स एज वेल हु हैव सन, उनके या फिर छोटे बच्चे हैं या कुछ भी, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू हैव टू ट्रीट योर सन एंड यू हैव टू टॉट हिम to share your emotions, because I don't think so that you want your child to be abusive and to do any kind of domestic violence, because कहीं ना कहीं इसका रीज़न यही है, जब आप दबाते रहते हो ना तो यही चीज़ होती है। I have seen being a child, being a daughter in my family. I have my brother, my father as well, and I have seen a multiple of times my father being vulnerable, crying, and he never thought that, oh, I'm a man and I should not cry. No, he never think like that. I remember when I received my 10th board result, he was so happy. It was a happy tears, but he literally cried without thinking that what people are going to think or people are going to laugh at me or something. Even I remember, like, this is something that we were in a closed room, but I remember in 2016 my parents were like very serious, and at that time my father came, he discharged from the hospital early, and my mother came to home. She discharged later, like I think 10 or 15 days. There was like difference of 10 to 15 days, and my father was so scared, and the moment he saw her, literally there were a lot of people in the room and there were relatives and everything. Instead of thinking that what people are going to think, he literally cried, and I would not be able to forget that moment ever in my life, that he literally cried, and without thinking of anyone, that how people are going to judge him or gonna think him ki अरे मैन होके ये रो रहा है। No. And this is so special. Like, when you are vulnerable, it's so special. I don't know why, कहाँ से ये चीज़ आई है that men can't cry and men can't share their emotions. No. And even I have heard my father saying one of the worker in our home that I'm gonna help you throughout my life, but if ever I'm gonna hear from anyone that you have abused your wife or you did any domestic violence or any sort of that, I'm not gonna help you ever. Because जो मर्द औरतों पे हाथ उठाता है वो मर्द नहीं होता. This is what I heard from my father. And growing up, हाथ उठाना तो बहुत बड़ी बात है. I have never seen my father shouting at my mother. Never. Okay, so it's really important that you should understand that whatever it is inside you, please bring out. Okay, please let it out, let it go. Don't keep anything inside you. It's gonna pile up and it's gonna hurt not just you but to the people around you as well, and I don't think so that you want that. Okay, point number 2, to break that patriarchal mindset. Okay, see, जो लेसन, जो भी चीज़ें आपने सीखी है, इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स. ठीक है, मैंने भी जो भी चीज़ें सीखी है, इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ आवर पेरेंट्स. एंड उनकी भी गलती नहीं है, उन्होंने भी अपने पेरेंट्स से ये चीज़ सीखी है एंड वो चेंज चलते आ रहा है. बट इट हैज़ टू स्टॉप समवेयर, राइट? इट हैज़ टू स्टॉप बिकॉज, और ये मस्कुलिनिटी और ये जो ऐसी वाली जो थिंकिंग है कि मेन ऐसे होते हैं, दिस इज सो रॉन्ग. ऐसा नहीं है, लिटरली ऐसा नहीं है. सो प्लीज स्टॉप थिंकिंग लाइक कि मेन को तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. नहीं, men can be like any way that they want. What makes you happy and the way you treat people, especially women, that makes you a man. And literally I don't know why people don't even understand what man is. So it's really important that you need to break that chain from your life, क्योंकि वो चलते जाएगा, कब खत्म होगा? It needs to stop somewhere, right? And it's your responsibility. Why I'm working on myself, why I'm healing myself, why I'm continuously doing therapy and everything. Why? Because I don't want that trauma or that chain to go along. I don't want to share it to someone else. I don't want to share it to my child, to my daughter, or to my son, anyone. I don't want that. I want to break that chain. मैं चाहती हूँ that I want to heal my traumas, everything on my own, so that when I'll start my new chapter of my life, everyone is happy and I'm also in my peace. I don't want to share this baggage to someone else, to my future generation. And you also have to understand this patriarchal thinking that men should be like this. No, you have to change that. Like, even if you go on social media, there are a lot of men who literally bully other men, who do makeup and everything, like you are like this, you are gay or something like that. आई डोंट इवन अंडरस्टैंड, क्या मेकअप प्रोडक्ट पे ऐसा लिखा होता है कि ये विमेन के लिए ही बना है, मेन के लिए नहीं बना है? नहीं, कहीं नहीं लिखा है. सो व्हाई वी थिंक लाइक दैट? व्हाट डू यू थिंक दैट एक्टर्स डोंट डू मेकअप? क्या आपको लगता है कि शाहरुख खान, ऋतिक रोशन, अक्षय कुमार, ये लोग तो मेकअप ही नहीं करते होंगे? नो, दे डू मेकअप. सो इसमें क्या बड़ी बात हो गई? इफ यू आर डूइंग स्किन केयर, इफ यू आर डूइंग मेकअप, it doesn't make you less man. तो प्लीज स्टॉप थिंकिंग कि मेन को तो ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. नहीं, men can be like anything, like किसी भी तरीके से आपको जैसे रहना है रहो, but especially the way you treat people and women, that makes you a man. Doesn't matter कि आपने अपनी बॉडी बना ली, आपका बियर्ड और सब कुछ है, but you don't know how to treat people, then you are not a man. Okay? And third point, you need to balance your energies. See, the thing is that मुझे ये चीज नहीं पता था that we all have energies, okay? Like different kind of energy. The energy that I got to know, मुझे इस चीज के बारे में नहीं पता था कि these kind of energies also exist. Okay, so this I got to know from my psychiatrist. The moment I started therapy, then I got to know, like she told me like everything, the thoughts that you have, the feelings that you have, all the emotions and everything, these all are energies. Okay, so regardless of your gender, whether you are male, whether you are a female, men and women, doesn't matter, everyone have two kind of energies. The first one is masculine energy, okay, and the second one is feminine energy. Okay, what is masculine energy? So masculine energy is something that keeps you grounded, you know, whereas a feminine energy is something that वो बोलने से ही नहीं पता चल रहा, that it seems like flowy and all. So it's something like that. Okay, feminine energy is something which is like go with the flow kind of energy, who have embracing energy, nurturing energy, expressive energy, accepting energy. This is what a feminine energy is. Okay, so everyone, whether it's a man or whether it's a woman, everyone have these two kind of energy. So it's really important that you need to balance these energy. Anything, कोई भी अगर एक एनर्जी ओवरपावरिंग है, ठीक है, एक दूसरे को आप बैलेंस अगर बना के नहीं रख रहे हो, और कोई भी एक एनर्जी overpowering है, so it's gonna affect you and it's gonna affect to the people around you as well. How? Let me tell you one thing. I don't know if you know this or not, but a lot of women says that the most attractive thing about men is their femininity. Okay, why? Because when you have a balance of masculine energy and a feminine energy, okay, you'll be able to connect with a lot of people, with their emotions, with their feelings and everything. Because men always thinks with logic, okay, उनके पास हमेशा logic होता है, like for everything, कोई भी चीज, which is not wrong, okay, I'm not saying that you are wrong, no, you are right. Obviously it's really important to be logical, but not every time, especially when you are with your partner, when with your sister, when you are with your mother. I'm not saying that उनके साथ भी लॉजिकल होना अच्छी बात नहीं है, नहीं, you have to be logical. But why I'm saying this, suppose your sister came or maybe your partner came and she is saying that, you know, I'm feeling like this happened with me, and the things that is not logical for you, और जो तुम आपके लिए ऐसा लगता है कि इसमें तो इतनी क्या बड़ी बात होगी, इसके लिए ये इतना बड़ा वो क्यों कर रही है, just relax, okay, just ground yourself, try to connect with her, try to connect with her emotions. Like अभी जो भी चीजें चल रही है, right, हमारी कंट्री में, a lot of people don't understand, but whenever we get to hear about rape or this kind of torture or something, it affects us deeply. Why? Because you never know, this thing has happened with her, maybe it can happen with us someday, okay, so it affects us so much, okay, it's very traumatizing. But and I know there are a lot of people, there are a lot of men who is understanding this and they are understanding our emotions and reactions to it, but still there are a group of men who think that they are overreacting and they were like, why they are behaving like this and that. So you have to connect with her. When you have this balance of energy, you will understand what she means. You will understand why she is behaving like this, why she has so much trauma, why she is feeling like this today. Okay, what are the emotions going on? You will try to connect with her. And when you are trying to connect with her and when you will be connected with her, you know, there would be a different kind of relationship between you and the other person. It can be anyone, it can be your mother, it can be your sister, it can be your partner as well. Like you will have this understanding and you will be able to understand their emotions. Because men, a lot of time, why things doesn't work out and why women don't share their feelings to men, because उन्हें पता होता है कि ये समझेंगे नहीं. Men are, people say that men, and actually I also believe that men are very practical, okay, like very practical, and women are mostly like very emotional species, okay. So you need to understand that you have to have balance of both energy so that you'll be able to, you know, connect with them emotionally, that what's going on in their head, why they are behaving like this, okay. Fourth point is you build trust, okay. See, when you are like vulnerable, when you don't care that अगर मैं vulnerable हो जाता हूँ इसके सामने, या अगर मैं रो देता हूँ तो ये क्या सोचेगी या क्या नहीं सोचेगी, men के लिए रोना और इमोशन शेयर करना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. मैंने ये भी सुना है दैट men चाह के भी रो नहीं पाते, ओके, दे ट्राई अ लॉट बट स्टिल वो उनके आंखों से आंसू ही नहीं आ पाता, जो उनके लिए बहुत आई मीन पेनफुल है, बिकॉज वो छोटे से उन्हें यही चीज सिखाया गया है तो वो वैसे ही है, ओके. बट when you are vulnerable with a certain kind of people, suppose your partner, you will build a strong trust with them. You know why? Because she will know that this person loves me a lot. क्योंकि men सबके सामने नहीं रो सकते, ठीक है, जो कि गलत है. You can cry, but still, because I know कि men के लिए बहुत tough होता है ये चीज, रोना, emotion share करना. So when you are sharing your emotions and when you are crying in front of someone and you don't care कि अगर मैं vulnerable हो जाऊंगा तो what she gonna think, it means that you love her deeply and that women will also understand and she will not need any kind of proof to prove this, that you love her or not, or how important you are for her. Because it's a big thing, it's a big thing literally. है कि बंदे रो के मैनिपुलेट कर देते हैं, like they manipulate their partner like crying and everything and shows them कि हाँ मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ इसलिए मैं रो रहा हूँ and all. But I'm not talking about those men. I'm talking about those men who actually love their partner, who love them deeply, but they don't know how to share their emotions. But they are someone who is ready to be vulnerable and who doesn't care what she's gonna think. So I'm talking about those men. I'm not talking about those men who literally cheats and manipulate their partner. Okay, these things are normal, and as a human being, we are meant to cry. We are meant to be vulnerable. We are meant to share our emotions. Like everything have a limit, and we are human being. We are not a robot. If you are not able to share your emotions, then you are not a human being, you're just a living thing. That's it. And you know what? These things, how it came up with in my mind, because that person gave me one advice, and I had this in my mind from that time, that you should never date a guy, or you should never marry a guy who is not expressive, who can't express emotions. ओके वाई बिकॉज जब वो इमोशंस एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, एनी काइंड ऑफ इमोशंस, नॉट जस्ट लाइक अ लव इमोशंस और समथिंग और हैप्पी इमोशंस, नो, इवन इफ दे आर एंग्री, इवन इफ दे आर अपसेट, इफ दे आर नॉट एबल टू शेयर दोज इमोशंस एंड नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्रेस इट मीन्स कि सारी चीज़ें वो अपने अंदर ही रख रहा है, एवरी थिंग इज गेटिंग पाइल्ड अप. सो जब सब कुछ अंदर है ना, तो द मोमेंट कुछ बड़ी चीज़ होगी ना, so at that time that person is going to tell you a lot of things, so many things to you, that you would not be able to understand and evaluate ki this is the same person with whom I was talking, or this is the same person with whom I was dating, or it's a different kind of person. Like literally they're gonna tell you so many things that it's gonna hurt you so much. So it's really important that you have to date a guy who is expressive and who can vulnerable. Okay, so yeah, I hope you're gonna like this video. I made this specially for men. This actually vulnerability thing is with women as well, especially balancing energy. Women, you also need to understand that you have to balance your energy, because nowadays women are becoming more masculine. Okay, and they are also like their masculine energy is overpowering a lot, which is not right. You have to have a balance of masculine and feminine energy, but I'm gonna make a video on that separately. But for this one, this is specially for men. I hope you're gonna like it, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section box. I am gonna read every comment, whatever your suggestions are, and please like this video. And yeah, I'm gonna meet you next in my video. Bye.